Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video contains a very beautiful, elegant and exquisite collection of borderline embroideries. Hemline embroidery patterns for neckline embroideries could be very beautiful. These borderline embroidery could be designed onto the borders of your sari, onto the corners of your sari pallu, onto the four sides of your shawl, dupatta, scarf, and even onto the borders of your shirt, kameez, kurti, onto the borders of your maxi, bodycon dress, midi dress, summer dresses, for designing the sleeves of your dresses. Even you can also decorate your abaya, jalebiyas, and many more Arabian style dresses as well. But the scope is not only limited to this, you can also design your baby girl dresses like your baby girl frocks. The yokes could be beautified by using these patterns. The body of the frocks could be enhanced by using these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. These are not only the scope specific things, you can use them for a wide variety of reasons, for a number of ways. Like you can design them for lot of variety of number of ways for DIY home accessories like cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, quilt covers, tablecloth, towel, and many more creativities like prayer mat and handbags like tote, leather bags, grocery bag, any type of bag that is made up of denim or any type of fabric material could be elaborated and beautified with the help of these patterns of borderline embroidery. I hope that you are liking the designs and concepts of the today's video. If you really like the design pattern, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. This was all for today, guys. We try our best on daily basis to share amazing and beautiful ideas with you. Please do support us, keep loving us, keep watching our content, and massively subscribe to my channels. If you have already subscribed, you can subscribe from a number of other devices as well because subscribers are very important. I hope that you will consider all of my requests, and one day we will become a large and